Xiaomi is working hard on their latest devices, the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro, set to debut in China this October. These phones will be the first smartphones to feature the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, promising incredible performance. But that's not all. An even more advanced model, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, is expected to launch in the first half of 2025. According to Tipster Digital Chat Station, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will come with a quad-camera setup, similar to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra from this year. The new leak suggests that the 15 Ultra will feature a telephoto lens with 4.x optical zoom and a whopping 200 megapixel resolution. Most likely, this will be a periscope telephoto camera, allowing for incredible zoom capabilities. In addition to the impressive camera system, another recent leak revealed that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will feature a dual-layer OLED panel with 2K resolution. It will also come equipped with an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint sensor for enhanced security. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to ship with up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and will run on Android 15, based on Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2.0 custom skin right out of the box. There's even talk that it could feature a massive 6,200 mAh battery, giving you plenty of power to get through the day. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.